Hey guys, I kind of changed up how I used to do my makeup for school like a month or two ago. Well, actually, it was kind of a while ago. I just thought I would show you guys how I like to do my makeup before school. Really simple. This is what I pretty much do every day unless I feel like adding a little bit of eyeshadow or put like a wing on. But other than that, this is usually what I do for school because it's early in the morning. It doesn't take me long, maybe like 15 or 20 minutes, and it works for me. If you want to see how I get this look, please keep on watching and let's get on into this tutorial. But just so you guys know, I am like having the worst cold ever. My throat's killing me, my nose is stuffed up, so just totally ignore my voice if it's like just sounds weird. It sounds all like you know, just if it sounds weird. Okay, so the first thing that I do to do my everyday makeup is I start out with doing my eyebrows and then I move on to the face. So the first thing that I'm going to use is this e.l.f. eyebrow wax because I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. So I'm just going to zoom in. Okay, and then after I have done that to my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, and I'm just going to do my eyebrows. And I'm in the color chocolate. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other eyebrow. So after I have done my eyebrows, I like to moisturize, and I'm just using Pond's moisturizer. Used it in my last video. It's a really good moisturizer. So the next product I'm going to use is Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and I am in light pale. And I'm just going to put that under my eyes, bridge of my nose, my chin, forehead, and if there's any like thing I need to cover up. And I'm just going to blend the concealer out with my beauty blender. So after I blended out the concealer, I'm just going to be using the Airspun Loose Powder, and I love this. But I don't like to use a lot of it, and I'm just going to bake only under my eye. I'm just going to use this Morphe brush to put it on. Alright, and then after that, I like to go in with my Fenty Beauty highlight. And I take another Morphe brush. This one looks like that. So I'm going in with lightning dust right here, and I'm just going to put that on my brow bone. And then I'm going to put it above my eyebrows right here, because I think it looks really pretty right there. And then I'm going to put some on my nose. And then I'm just gonna put some right on my lip. And also, I like to take that like lightning dust color, the lightning dust shade, and I put it just like right in the middle of my eyelid. Cause I don't usually put like eyeshadow on as just my like simple everyday makeup look. So I just put this on my eyelids. I don't like to leave this powder on really long, so I'm just gonna take my Eco Tools brush and brush it away. And then after that, I take this rose water and I just spray my face with it. And then go back in with this Fenty Beauty highlight. And I'm just going to take this Royal and Langnickel brush. And I'm just going to take both of the colors and put them above my cheekbone. And then after that, I take this brush again and I go in right there and then I mix it like that. And I put it right in the inner corner of my eye because I feel like that really makes your eyes pop. And that's it for highlight. And then I like to use this Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. It's like a sample I got, but I've been using it for quite a while now. So, and then I'm going to take this Morphe brush. I'm just going to contour. Okay, and then I'm just gonna blend this out with the Eco Tools brush again, just so everything looks blended. After that, I just take this eyelash curler that I got from my Birchbox box, and this is probably the best eyelash curler I've ever used. Anyway, so I'm just gonna go ahead and curl my eyelashes. Okay, look at the difference. Do you see that? Like, that's insane. Like, watch. Okay, so this is before. For mascara, I'm gonna be using a really good mascara. It's from Maybelline. It's the Lash Sensation. Whoa, the Lash Sensational mascara. Oh, it's not focusing. I like go like this. Anyway, works really good. I got it a few like months ago, and when I went to the Bahamas over Christmas break, I wore this mascara, and like this was when we were at Princess K's, and like, you know, of course I was gonna be swimming and like snorkeling. But I had this on, and it didn't come off like at all, like barely. And if it did, it wasn't like bad. I didn't look like a raccoon. Also, when I was there too, I had my eyebrows like done, and I was using the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade, and that didn't come off either. Like, it barely came off. So you don't have to go out looking for like stuff that says waterproof sometimes. I mean, sometimes stuff that doesn't even say that it's waterproof works. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on. For like my lips, I literally just put like some of this Vaseline on, because my lips get so chapped. So that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you guys have any suggestions on other videos you would like me to do, totally let me know, because I love getting those kind of suggestions. So, you know, let your girl know. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!